How to download and install LibreOffice on Windows using VMware Workstation. LibreOffice is a powerful and free open-source office suite, which includes programs like Writer, Calc, Impress, and more, making it a great alternative to other office suites. Let's dive right into it. First, open your favorite web browser. Next, type in LibreOffice in the address bar and hit Enter. Click to open this page. Once you're on the LibreOffice website, navigate to the Download button on the homepage and click on it. You'll see options for different operating systems. Since we're installing it on Windows, click on the Download version Windows. Your download will begin shortly. Once it's finished. Now, double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. The installation wizard will guide you through the installation process. Click Next to proceed. You can also choose whether to create shortcuts on your desktop or Start menu. Once you've made your selections, click Install. The installation process may take a few moments. Once it's complete, you'll see a confirmation message. The installation wizard displays a Finish button. And there you have it. LibreOffice is now installed on your Windows computer. You can find it in your Start menu or on your desktop. Simply click on the icon to launch LibreOffice. That's all for today's tutorial on how to download and install LibreOffice on Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.